Welcome, friends. It's this way to letter J. I even have my letter J cup because the J is my favorite letter. My last name is Justice. J. Starts with J. So we're going to explore letter J today. And you'll want to start. Parents, if you want to click on this little triangle, you'll play a song, the J song, for your students, and feel free to sing along with them. Some of our friends haven't found their voices yet, so it helps if we show them how to sing the song. When they get the confidence, they can do it themselves. But they very much love listening to your voices, as well as mine, even though I'm not the best singer. Next, on the next slide, we're going to learn how to write the letter J. And if you click on this one, it'll take you through. You can air write it. Let's write it in the air together. We're going to start at the very top. We're going to go down, swoop in the bottom, come back to the top, and cross it. Let's see if I can do it backwards for you. Let's see. We go down to the side, back up, and cross. If we're going to make the small letter J, we'll just make it shorter. Let's see if I can get here on the cam. Let's see. Shorter, and then we'll dot it at the top. Next, we're going to sign the letter J. Some of us have trouble with our words, and so it's easier to use our hands. I love signing the letter J because you get to use your pinky. Then you do pinkies up. Then we're going to go down and swoop. And it's just like that. Let's try it one more time. I'll raise it up a little bit so you can see a little better. Pinkies up, down, and swoop. Just like a hook, like a fish hook. Awesome job, friends. Let's see if we can get to the next page. And here, I want to know if you can help me find the pictures that start with the letter J. If we take a look at the picture, let's go up here to the top. If I can find my cursor, you'll see in the top left corner for the picture, here's the jacket. It looks like this might be a bug. Bug. No, it does not start with J. How about dog? I don't hear that j sound. Here's a j. Hey, good job. Let's see. What about a jellyfish? That starts with J. Do we see any more? I see jaguar. How about broccoli? Broccoli? No. And we've got this guy hiding down here. There's a joker. That starts with J too. Good job, friends. Maybe you can find one that I didn't see. Keep looking. Let's go to our last page here. We're going to say the name of the picture, and then we're going to find the letter. So if we start here at the top, let's see. You'll see J. And then we've got a jar. Where is that J? We've got the lowercase j here. What was this one? This is the uppercase J and lowercase j. Look at this picture down here. Last but not least, we have a jacket. And if you come over, can you find the J? Nope, that's a Q. We've got a Z. Oh, here it is. There's the J. Awesome job, friends. And you can always print these out and circle them at home if you'd like to, the last 2 pages. Awesome work, friends. Next time we will be moving on with the alphabet. What comes after J? K. All right. Have a good night.